Hi, I'm Seshu, CEO, Baker's Fun. Baking is our bloodline. Some of the diet-savvy customers often discuss with us about various food scams they come across everyday life at few of the bakeries around them. Let me share you some of the food scams few bakers do. Few bakers often misuse people's desire for foods that come at lower prices, like using stale eggs, non-maintenance of the production, or even using lowest level of packaging. New trends in the food industry have seen labels like artisan, handmade, or natural. Bakers misuse these labels without actually following them. Changing food labels on the products the baker is unable to sell. So beware before you buy. If you think this content has created awareness in various food scams, like our page so that you get more updates about useful content like this. Thank you. This is Seshu signing off.